Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amir Nabilah binti Ami Hamzah. I am from KKTM Balik Pulau and I'm in Group B2T8. In this video, I'll be reflecting on my learning and experience throughout scenario part 2 and part 3. I'll share 3 things I've learned, something I'm proud of, and one thing I plan to do differently next time. First, I've learned how to define problems and identify root causes effectively. During part 2, we went through exercises like root cause analysis and data consolidation in Excel, which helped me understand how to break down problems logically and find solutions. Second, I've learned how to communicate and present my ideas professionally. From networking session, PowerPoint presentation and working session in part 3, I learned how to structure my presentation clearly, engage my audience, and interact confidently with customers. Third, I've learned how to apply technical skills like Excel for real-life data analysis. Pivot tables, data visualization, and workbook management taught me how to turn raw data into meaningful insight. This is something I couldn't do before, and it makes me feel more prepared for practical scenarios. I'm proud of how I managed to deliver a clear and professional presentation during our group and individual tasks. I applied the technique from the effective presentation and preparing for your presentation section and receive positive feedback from peers and facilitators. For example, I was able to present data visually in a way that was easy to understand, which made me feel confident and accomplished. One thing I will do differently in the next scenario is to engage more actively in behavioral interviews and customer interaction practice. I realized that sometimes I overthink my responses and hesitate, which affect my confidence. Next time, I will practice speaking more spontaneously and focus on listening carefully to respond naturally. I believe this will help me perform better and communicate more effectively. In summary, this experience has helped me grow in problem solving, professional communication, and technical skills. I feel more confident applying these learnings in real life context and look forward to improving even more in the next scenario. That's all from me. Thank you.